Good morning, friends. This is Teacher Adam from Galita. Today I have a new book that I want to share with you. It is called Garbage Trucks at Work. Have you seen a garbage truck? What does a garbage truck do? Let's find out. This is a garbage truck. It has a big job. The garbage truck picks up trash. It keeps our streets clean. The garbage truck goes in the back. The garbage goes in the back of the truck. See, use the back of the truck, and all of the garbage is back there. The garbage truck has a part that presses on the trash to make it smaller. Right here is what makes the garbage smaller. Now there is room for more garbage. The driver heads to the next stop. Sometimes garbage collectors ride holding on to the back of the truck. Do you see the garbage collector holding on? He is riding on the back of the truck. When the truck stops, the workers jump off. They dump trash from the garbage cans into the back. He's dumping it in the back. Some garbage trucks pick up all the glass, cans, and paper we have used. Dump, dump, dump goes the garbage truck. All the trash is in the landfill now. That's a lot of trash. Good job, garbage truck. Thanks for keeping our streets so clean. And that is the end of the garbage trucks at work.